Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam friends list not loading using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken chat boxes on your current setup session so your online friends reappear safely inside your active social panels. Step 1. Open your master settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to reach your main display and account features before you can fix your frozen friend box. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep running its stuck display routines, keeping your friends list hidden away in the background. Step 2. Clean out your internal web browser data storage. Next, you need to navigate to your Display Files tab and wipe away the temporary internet garbage files that are clogging up your social sheets. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar, click on the row that says In-Game or Interface, locate the button option that says Delete Web Browser Data or Clear Cache, and click it once. Click the OK or Confirm button when a prompt box pops up flat against your background view and wait 2 seconds for the cleanup to finish. Because your friends list is actually a tiny built-in internet web page running inside your main application panel. Over time, your computer piles up old corrupted web picture files and temporary tracking text inside its memory card. When this file pile gets too big or hits a broken link, the text canvas freezes up completely. Sweeping this box clean forces the application to build a brand new clean web view from scratch. And now you need to go directly to your broken social box and tell the network to drop your old connection and create a completely fresh online handshake link. Look at the bottom right corner of your main application layout, click on the box labeled Friends, click on the little arrow next to your name at the top of that small window, switch your status to Offline, wait 5 seconds, and switch it back to Online. Watch the little indicator dot change from blue to gray and then turn back into a bright active color right over your screen canvas rows. Because your personal network can get stuck or go stale if your machine stays turned on for too long. When your connection goes stale, the server thinks you are active, but it refuses to send the fresh list of names to your screen. Toggling this switch off and on breaks the old stuck pipe and forces the communication engine to download your full friend roster completely fresh. And that's it. To fix Steam friends list not loading, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the interface rows and click the button to clear your web browser data to wipe out your temporary internet files. Next, you look at your screen canvas rows to open your Friends box, switch your status to Offline, and flip it back to Online to force a fresh network login. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.